Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you are fit and fine. So in this video our main topic our victory day, and in this video I'm going to share with you my inspiration, my hobby, my ambition, I mean future plan. So now my first of all, I'm really very happy to see in 16 December celebrated here after 1 year, and in this day we're really very happy to see us place in 16 December in, in our place, in our society, everything. And today is very special day for our Bangladesh because 16 December, today 16 December is the historical great victory day, and it's one of the day for our Bengali nation. And on this day we remembering the 30 lakh martyrs of the liberation war, deep respect, and remembering the 2 lakh deep respect mother and sister. So in this day 16 December is victory day and very important day today. And now I'm talking my main ambition. So if Allah gives me alive, I will be a good doctor, and I want to help the poor people and helpless people. I want to help the poor student. I won't take my that people, because if I help the people, Allah will be glad. Allah give me a jannat. Or when I will earn money, then I will support my mom and dad. And that's about my ambition and my inspiration. Our Prophet Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is my final inspiration, and my second inspiration my mom and dad, and my third inspiration, while the good teacher is my third inspiration. And everybody, inspiration can be develop our life. And that's about my inspiration and my hobby. I'm more into reading a books and magazine because that helps me improve my communication every day. And moreover, it also helps me to mold myself into a better person. And sometimes I like playing football and cricket because I feel it personally keeps and physical and mental health stable. So everyone, that's all about my ambition. That's all my future plan. That's all my hobby. So today's our main topic is victory day. সো আজকে আমার মূল বিষয় ছিল যে ভিক্টোরি ডে আর বিজয় দিবস। 16ই ডিসেম্বর আমাদের বিজয় দিবস, এবং 30 লক্ষ শহীদের স্মরণীয় দিন, এবং 2 লক্ষ মা ও বোনের স্মরণীয় দিন। এই দিনটি অত্যন্ত ইম্পর্ট্যান্ট ডে ইজ 16 ডিসেম্বর, ইউনো। অ্যান্ড সো আজকের ভিডিওটা আমি বাড়াতে চাচ্ছি না। So thank you for watching my video. Please like, share of course, and please subscribe. Please subscribe everyone. So Allah Hafiz everyone. Have a good day. See you in the next video. Okay, Allah Hafiz.